Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to do division by a three-digit number. First, let's review the fundamental parts of any division problem: the dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Setting up your long division problem neatly is crucial for success. Begin by estimating the first digit of your quotient. This initial step helps streamline the entire process. We'll walk through each stage, ensuring you grasp the method thoroughly. This systematic approach makes complex division manageable and accurate. Once your problem is set up, the next key step is estimation. Consider how many times your three-digit divisor can go into the first few digits of your dividend. For example, if dividing by 250, how many times does it fit into, say, 780? After estimating, multiply that estimated digit by your full three-digit divisor. Carefully write this product directly underneath the part of the dividend you are working with, aligning the numbers precisely. Following multiplication, the next critical action is subtraction. Carefully subtract the product you just calculated from the portion of the dividend above it. It's vital that your subtraction result is smaller than your original three-digit divisor. If not, your initial estimate was too high. After subtracting, bring down the very next digit from the dividend to create a new number. This new number becomes the focus for your next round of estimation and division. You will continue this cycle of estimating, multiplying, and subtracting until every digit from your original dividend has been brought down and used. Each time, you're essentially solving a smaller division problem. Once there are no more digits to bring down, the number left after your final subtraction is your remainder. If the remainder is 0, the division is exact. Always double-check your work for accuracy, especially with larger numbers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.